Thank you for your inquiry on the all-new 2020 Tucson that we have here on the showroom floor. In this gorgeous black, we have a gorgeous diamond cut grille with our gorgeous Hyundai emblem. We got our wraparound headlights here. We got our great alloy wheels. And let's take a look on the inside. Got our beautiful gray interior. You can see with our touch screen here that has Android Auto and Apple Play capabilities. We have our cruise control and also our voice recognitions for your Bluetooth, and our blind spot detectors and our lane keep assist. And I'll tell you what's great about our cars that we have here at Tameron Hyundai is our warranties. We got a new car bumper to bumper, 5-year, 60,000 mile warranty, and then our powertrain warranty, which is 10-year, 100,000 mile that we exclusively double here at Tameron to 20-year, 200,000 mile warranty. My name is Joshua. You can reach me at my cell phone at 334-663-1422. And remember, here at Tameron Hyundai, you always love the way you're treated.